Still buying mayonnaise in a jar? What if I told you that you could make superior, creamier, more delicious mayonnaise at home in under 2 minutes with just a few simple ingredients? Watch this. Making mayonnaise from scratch is surprisingly simple, and it starts with just a handful of quality ingredients. First, you'll need 1 large egg yolk. It's crucial that it's at room temperature, as this helps the emulsion form beautifully. Next, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This not only adds that classic tangy flavor, but also acts as a secret weapon to help stabilize our mayonnaise. For acidity, a splash of fresh lemon juice or white wine vinegar will brighten everything up. Then a pinch of salt, and finally 1 cup of a neutral flavored oil like sunflower or rapeseed. Step 1. Combine. In a tall, narrow container, or the beaker that came with your immersion blender, add the egg yolk, mustard, and lemon juice. The narrow container is key. It helps everything emulsify properly. Step 2 is where the magic begins, adding the oil. We're using a neutral oil like avocado or grapeseed, so its flavor won't overpower the final mayonnaise. Go ahead and pour all of the oil directly on top of your yolk mixture. You'll see it create a distinct, separate layer. Now this is the most critical part. Do not stir or mix it. Trust the process. Now for step 3, where the real magic happens. This is the moment of transformation, where we turn these simple ingredients into a rich, creamy emulsion. Place your immersion blender all the way to the bottom of the jar, flat against the base, and turn it onto its highest speed. The most crucial part is to keep the blender firmly planted at the bottom. Don't lift it or tilt it. This creates a powerful vortex that slowly pulls the oil down into the egg yolk, starting the emulsification process. Within seconds, you'll witness it begin. A thick, pale cream will form at the base. Keep holding steady and watch as that creamy mayonnaise climbs its way up the jar. This is the lecithin in the egg yolk working hard, wrapping around the oil droplets to create that stable texture. Only when the mayonnaise has reached the top should you begin to move the blender. Very slowly, lift it slightly and then push it back down once or twice. This gentle motion incorporates that last bit of oil. Turn off the blender and lift it out. And there you have it. Look at that thick, luscious homemade mayonnaise. Incredibly fresh, creamy, and completely free of preservatives. A jar of pure, delicious success. Look at that. Unbelievably thick, creamy, and flavorful with no preservatives. So much better than the store-bought stuff. It's perfect for sandwiches, dips, or anything you can think of. If this kitchen magic just blew your mind, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more amazing from-scratch hacks. What's the first thing you would make with this?